Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Phenix City local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers has what it takes to handle all detailed planning and packing involved as you move to and from Phenix City, Alabama. We have dedicated local and long-distance moving assistants made of highly experienced professionals. Various reasons may lead to moving for a long distance. It could be a change of job location whereby your new office or manufacturing industry is located at a far distance from where you are currently located. When one knows that they are set to move a long-distance area, they will start looking for a long-distance moving company that can help them move at ease. This long-distance moving company will be in charge of parking all your households in your current location and then put them in a truck. 3 men who will be handling your goods will ensure that your items are safely put in a truck. On arriving at your new location, the 3 men will then be in charge of unpacking your items. They will unpack them and ensure that every item is placed in the right area. Some of the services you would get from the 3 men in a truck company are furniture reassembling and disassembling, moving of containers, storage of items, office and commercial moving, crating and packing of your items, moving from one residence to another, local moving of goods, long-distance moving of goods. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.